What if aging isn't actually caused by getting older? What if your body is just running out of resources? What if your body isn't able to repair anymore and it has to prioritize? Think about it when you're exhausted, when you're tired, depleted, unmotivated, when you have all these conditions, when you're extremely sensitive, you get sick all the time, you're overwhelmed, you feel burned out, and you are literally in a fight or flight mode, what do you think your body is doing? Your body has to prioritize. Your body has to choose and decide and knows what is the priority. So you have a lot of things in your body that are left aside and that aren't receiving the daily supply it should be receiving. So that is why we age. It's not about the number. We shouldn't age that fast. Some people are aging extremely faster than others. Ask yourself why. It's not always genetic. It's not always the DNA. Stop hiding behind the excuse of my dad lost his hair when he was 30. So you're making it normal that you lost it at 25. No, this isn't normal. So let's take back our power and help our body to recover faster. Help our body to not have to prioritize. Help our body to not have to remove things from the priority list. When you're stressed, exhausted, you feel depleted, you're extremely tired, you have anxiety, you feel depressed, what do you think is happening in your body? What do you think these emotions, this feeling, and this like inner condition, what do you think it makes you feel, and what do you think it does to your body? When this happens, your body has to choose. It cannot take care of everything at the same time. I recently listened to a conversation about cellular energy and how our body repairs, and it was very fascinating. It was just saying that your body is constantly making decisions. It has to decide what is the priority. If you have a gut problem, if you have a skin issue, if you have a bone condition, if you have a health condition, the body has to know and knows by itself what is the priority. So some things are left aside and sometimes for a very long time. So this is where aging happens. Because if your system is not able to function as it should, if your lymph isn't working as it should, if your blood isn't clean as it should, if you do not receive the vitamins, your minerals, your daily supply, the body has to take this supply and bring it where it's most needed. So it means that the less important in the list are left behind. A lot of people nowadays are in survival mode, completely burned out. And most of the time, this stress, high stress level, this high anxiety levels is what is winning above other conditions. The survival mode, the fight or flight mode, the burnout mode that most of the people are nowadays is what is winning and leading the way above everything else, above every health condition that you may have. So once you know it, you know that you have to make sure you lower your stress levels. It's extremely important to step out of this fight or flight so your body can repair by itself, so your cells can be renewed, and so your body can work properly and function properly. So then why do we have symptoms that are arising? For example, some wrinkles, some gray hair, poor recovery after a night out, or poor sleep, or less energy. All of these are just the expression of the exhaustion of your body. These are the expression that your body doesn't receive everything that it should be receiving, or at least it's not functioning at the highest potential. So when you are in a fight or flight mode, your body becomes efficient and start cutting costs. And those costs start to show. And it is pretty challenging to reverse that mechanism. Our modern world is extremely draining our energy. We're exposed to way too much stimulation. We're exposed to way too many artificial lights, too many screens around us. We're exposed to too many distractions, to a lot of fast food, seed oils, a lot of things that are playing around with our cortisol levels. The artificial lights, the poor sleep, the very high distractions, the constant demands, the fact that we always need it, the fact that we have to be available all the time, the fact that we have to be online all the time, the fact that we are always in a constant, never ending overwhelm and thoughts. This is our world, and this is the world we're living in, and this is what makes us sick. This is what is causing us to be completely drained, exhausted, and that's how we age faster. Unfortunately, this is the very most simple truth I could share with you. So that's why I'm extremely passionate about biohacking and about our health and about observing and testing on me what can change, how I can evolve. And I realize that our body are so smart that it always adapts. No matter what is happening to you, your body will adapt. So if you understand that, if you understand how it works, you can always realign, rebalance your life so you can find that energy again. You can find that spark within you again. You can find a better recovery, better sleep, a better digestion, a lighter body, a lighter head, no more brain fog, no more overwhelm. I mean, all of this can be managed if you know what to start and how to do. But know that aging is not a fatality. Yeah, we all get old, and getting younger is not the Graal. Of course, it's nice to look younger and to stay fresh and young. But I think that you don't have only how you look, there is also how you feel. And when you feel old, when you feel heavy, when you feel exhausted and depleted, it's not a great feeling, and it shouldn't be happening in your 20s or your 30s, and even in your 40s or 50s. Like, if it is happening, ask yourself what you're doing wrong, or at least ask yourself what you can improve, because I'm sure you are aware of at least 20% of the things that you're doing that you could change and you can change, and you know this will change your conditions. We have the capacity to be aware. We are aware, maybe not of everything, but we are aware of a lot of things. And I think it is extremely important to face ourselves and to be honest about what is working and what is not. What may cause that condition? What can we try to see? And what can we test to see if we feel better? If we feel better, it is such a big win. We have only one life to live on this planet, at least on this body. So let's try to make the best of it. Let's not fall into this loop of laziness, heaviness, no motivation, because procrastination and the lack of motivation is just calling onto more of this. So you have to be brave, you have to step out of that state so you can make some changes and see how you feel, how you can improve your health and stop aging faster. Try to go back into a normal and graceful way of getting old, with grace, with ease, and with still a lot of energy. That's what you want.